Hello, my name's Heloise Finch. I'm CEO of Sell Beyond. We help brands grow on Amazon in French, German, Spanish, Italian, as well as English, and we're based in South Suffolk. We're applying in the innovation category because we've developed a new to market product which is a combination of marketing and translation specifically for companies selling on Amazon. If you're an e-commerce company and you want to grow your Amazon channel, you've got two choices. You either outsource to a marketing agency which will be really good at English marketing but will not be good at foreign languages, or you go to a translation agency, very good with foreign languages, won't know anything about Amazon. What we've done here at Sell Beyond is to combine those two disciplines and add them with reporting and analysis and strategic consulting to create a company which can help you grow on Amazon in English, French, German, Spanish and Italian consistently. How do we do that? We spent 24 months developing robust quality control processes to make sure that we deliver to high standards consistently across multiple languages and across multiple target markets. That means that when you use Sell Beyond, you can be sure that you will get as high quality marketing in English as you will in foreign languages using native speakers that are specially trained to work with Amazon. This is both a new to market proposition, and the process that we've developed makes us stand out from all our competitors who are either only offering translation or offering English language services. I'm really excited to tell you about our company and the things we've done to help it grow through innovation, and I look forward to seeing you at the awards evening.